In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so I made this commission just in 1 month in the month of March. Okay, from the first day, okay, until the last day of March 31. Okay, and I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake. And as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, so for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, okay, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, and that's it. It's super easy. You just need to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, just come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this affiliate website of Fiverr. As you can see, what you need to do next, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying good commission. Okay, so just click over here on join now, and here you go, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Okay, and they will ask you a few questions. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country over here and choose your language. Okay, and if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, it's really super easy and simple. So what you need to do now is you need to choose good and trending services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to see what's trending on Pinterest, what people are searching for on Pinterest. And so I will share with you guys the method that I'm using. So you just need to copy and paste. Okay, so what you need to do first, you need to go to Pinterest trend. Okay, you need to use Pinterest trend. Let me show you. If you don't have Pinterest trend, go to Google, search for Pinterest trend. Okay, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. Okay, so you can also from here you can choose which country you want to target. Okay, so you have over here United States, you have Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, and so on. Okay, so we will just keep using United States. Scroll down, okay, and Pinterest trend will give you what's trending on Pinterest in this month. Okay, top trends in United States this month. Okay, as you can see, those are the services or products that are trending on Pinterest this month on United States. This one spray nails, this one for women, this one fashion. Let's check, for example, fashion. I will click on fashion and I will scroll down. I will click over here on date and I will just select past 3 months. Okay, and as you can see that those services or products about fashion are trending. Okay, it's going up right now. As you can see, in this month it's going up. Let's scroll down. If you scroll down, you have here related trends. Okay, so you have a lot of related trends topic like this one. Let's check this one, spring spring fashion, and as you can see also spring fashion is trending. Okay, so what I will do, I will go back to Fiverr. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, click on the search and search for fashion. Okay, so we will choose services about fashion because they are trending. Okay, because those topics on Pinterest, they are trending. Okay, people are searching for those keywords about fashion. Okay, as you can see. So what I will do, I will go back, like I said, to Fiverr. I will search for fashion, and I will start promoting good services related to fashion. Okay, so let's choose, for example, like this one is really looking good. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. So like I said, always make sure to choose good seller. Choose good sellers like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I will choose, for example, like this one. This one has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you just need to copy his profile link, okay, like that, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google, okay, and search for Pinterest like this. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to open Pinterest business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so just click on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. What you need to do next, you need to go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, click on his picture, and double click on his picture, click on save image. Okay, you need to save this picture to your laptop. So click on save image, and they will name it, for example, fashion. Click on save. Okay, go back to Pinterest, click over here, and upload this picture like this. Okay, about your affiliate service. So what you need to do next, you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. So I will go back to this seller profile page, and I will copy his title like this. I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this title here, description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You have here about this geek. This is his description. Okay, I will copy this part like this, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account and I will copy my affiliate link from here. If you don't have this old plan, you can copy this one. Okay, Fiverr Pro. Okay, you can use this one. So, and go back to your Pinterest account and put your affiliate link here. Okay, like this. Click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, keyword. Those keywords are very important. Okay, so how we can find those keywords? What you will do, you will go back to Pinterest trend and you will copy those keywords. Okay, I will copy this one so people can find your service on Pinterest. Okay, you should use those keywords like this. Go back to Pinterest trend. I will copy this one, fashion, and scroll down. You have here related trends. You have here more keywords. Copy those keywords. Okay, so just copy all those keywords that people are using to search for this service or product. Okay, and go back and use those keywords here, okay, like this. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your affiliate link from here, your title and your description. This is the method that I'm using, and if you don't know guys, Pinterest has a lot of traffic, okay? Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly and if you start doing these methods that I'm sharing with you in my YouTube channel, okay? You should use Pinterest trend. You should see what's trending, which products are searching, what people are searching for, okay? And go to Fiverr, search for services related to those topics, start promoting those services on Pinterest, and you will start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic for free. Okay, it's super easy, but it needs consistency, a lot of hard work. Keep improving, do more research, and you will get your commission. Okay. So I will also explain something for people who are asking why it's showing zero in your impression and in your CTR. Okay, let me explain this to you. When you will sign up to Fiverr affiliate program, if you scroll down, you have here, do you have a main source of traffic? If you see yes, okay, you need to put your website link here. And if you put your website link here, Fiverr affiliates will track your impression and your CTR, and you will start seeing numbers here, okay? And that's it. So for me, I don't have any website, so I choose no, okay? And that's it, okay? I'm also working guys on a course that will be launched very soon, that will cover everything about Fiverr affiliate marketing business and how we can use free traffic to earn commission, okay? I'm working on this course. Maybe it can take up to 1 month or less, okay, something like this. So please guys, let me know in the comments if you are interested in this. If you are interested, just comment affiliate marketing, and I will start and I will complete this course for you, and it will be launched very soon in my website, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.